This video is for the beginner investors who are wondering how to pick the right investment funds that will enable them to have successful results. If you're a pro investor, keep scrolling. This is too much. So keep scrolling unless you want to ground back to the basics. Anyways, if you're a beginner investor, the best way to pick the right investment fund for you, number one, you need to know your goal. What is the goal? Why are you investing in the first place? Because once you know your goal, you're going to know the kind of fund that matches the results that you want. So know the kind of goals you want so that you can match yourself with the right investment fund, which has the right kind of returns and so on. Number two, you need to understand your risk appetite or your risk attitude. Some people are risk averse, conservative. Some people are moderate when it comes to risk, and some people do not have a problem with high risk things. So if you are someone who is risk averse or more conservative, obviously there are kind of funds to invest in are funds that are investing in things like fixed income. But if you are more into risk and you prefer risk, you can put your money in funds that are investing in stocks or crypto or other future related investments. So you need to know your risk appetite so that you don't end up being worried when the market has volatility. You start worrying if you're going to get returns. Number three, you need to research the fund types. There are very many fund types out there that can meet your needs, from hedge funds to collective investment schemes. There are mutual funds, there are unit trust, so many funds, there are exchange traded funds. So all these funds are likely to meet your needs depending on your goal and the kind of returns you expect at the end of the lock-in duration. So you need to research fund types that are available so that you know which one fits your goal or your need. Number four, if you don't know what you're doing, seek professional advice. Do not go out there putting your money in funds and you don't really know what you're doing. If you really don't have time to research or you feel like intuitionally you don't know what you're doing, seek professional advice from advisors that are not just sellers, they are also investors. Because you need to understand, just because somebody is a financial advisor doesn't mean they're investors. Some of them are just salespeople. So seek financial advice from advisors who are also investors. Number five, and the final step, is you need to do the due diligence on the company that you intend to invest in. Do not just go depositing your money in any fund or any asset management company. Do your due diligence and make sure the company is licensed, the people who are going to manage your funds are certified, and you can actually access reports like performance reports from that asset company. Make sure the company is transparent when it comes to these things. Make sure the company has an office, things like that, so that you don't end up getting scammed. If you want to know more on how to do your due diligence on an asset management company or an investment company that you intend to put your money in or deposit your money for investment purposes, I have made a very comprehensive video that is going to guide you on how to do your research on the company to know if it's legit and what to expect out of a successful company so that you can compare what is the market standards of a successful asset management company so that you can know how a company that you need to trust looks like. So if you want that kind of video or you want more information about that, just comment due diligence and I will send you the video right away.